Today, we're going to show you how to clean out a computer. Check out this video. So in this video, we are showing you how to clean out a desktop. And it's not really a very hard thing to do. You know, all desktops are a little bit different. So just bear with me on how maybe yours gets taken apart. See, now on my desktop right here, normally I would have 2 screws. And this is actually an old case that has been run around the circle quite a few times. So I only have 1 screw. And basically I take out the screw right here. And there we go. This case just kind of pops and slides off. So it really just kind of pulls and slides off. And you'll see that this thing is dusty as hell. I mean, this is the dustiest I have ever let any of my computers get, and I've actually been doing that on purpose. I don't really use this one too often, so it just kind of sits and collects dust. So you'll see that this thing is super, super nasty. But anyway, your desktop might have like some kind of clip on the side that pops off one of the panels, and you really want to pay attention to that and look for the actual clip or screws that will pop off your side panel, because that's going to be the most important thing, is to get that side panel taken off so you can access the inside of your computer. And, you know, really, if you've never done this before, expect a super, super dusty computer, because that's exactly what we have here, and it's probably been about a year since I cleaned mine. So, anyway, what we need to do. So, first things first, you need a can of air. Canned air, yeah. This is Ultra Duster from Walmart. It's like $5 a can. This is pretty good stuff. It's cheap. It works. Other alternatives are vacuums, but they create a lot of static. So sometimes they're not the best option for you. So be wary of that. You can use a vacuum. They do make special vacuums for this kind of stuff. And I've never used one, and I've never cared to use one. I've never had a problem creating any type of static electricity or buildup or anything like that. And I've done this, well, I would say I've done this a million times, but maybe 999,999, because I missed one. Anyway, basically what we're going to do is look for all of our dusty areas and be prepared for all this dust to fly back up in your face and get all over you, and get ready, get ready for your area to be dusty, because that's what's about to happen. You're going to blow this stuff everywhere. So I'm going to start on the side here and give it a couple sprays, come through the side. You know, you don't want to hold these things upside down. You don't want to hold down the spray button. You're just going to tap, 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 because that's going to be the most effective for you. And the fans, you always want to hold your fans in place. Do not spray them and let them spin, because that's bad for them. So just hold down, tap, 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 tap. Hold here, tap, 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 tap. And then basically the inside of your computer, we're going to do the same thing here. Here's our CPU fan. Ooh, I lost my straw. Basically throughout this whole thing here, we're just going to go and tap, 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 tap. Whew. I'm going to cover up here because it's getting pretty dusty. Here's another fan. Man. Whew. Whew. Man. So you can see all the dust flying around in here, and it's literally choking me right now. Oh man, getting in my eyes and everything. Anyway, you're going to want to do that quite a bit. And, you know, the next thing that you can really do is you can invest and a microfiber towel. And these are actually pretty good. They do a fairly decent job of collecting everything. You can really get in the fans with them really good. You know, rub the blades down with all the dust. Really get into everything and collect all the dust with one of these. You don't want to use any type of liquid. I wouldn't even recommend any type of even the safe liquid stuff. You never know. I mean, there's a lot of wipes and stuff that they offer. I personally won't use them. Not necessarily saying that's bad. You're going to get a lot of different personal preferences on different things. You can use alcohol swabs. Those are okay. I've used those on processors and stuff before. That those are recommended. But if you really want to get in there deep, take a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, maybe damp up a microfiber towel a little bit, and you can rub it down really good and really get in there. I mean, gosh, this computer is a complete mess, to be honest with you. Really, this is one part of a video that I'm creating right now. The next part, I'm actually going to be gutting this entire computer, and I'm putting in something a little bit smaller because this case is way too big and really doesn't suit me anymore. I don't need such a very large case anymore. But anyway, that's basically what you're going to do cleaning out your desktop computer. You're going to get your canned air out. You're going to do your tap sprays a little bit. Try to get some of that dust out of there. Make sure you hold your fans down. Microfiber towel. You can wipe a lot of it down and off, and that'll be okay. Won't do any damage to any of your parts. I would not suggest touching anywhere on your motherboard. Never touch anything, even a microfiber towel. Don't get your straw even touching on your motherboard. Definitely spray down your motherboard though, for sure. That's going to be very important for you. If you really want to get crafty, in my next video on cleaning out your computer, in my next video that I will be doing where I'm switching this all apart into a different tower, you'll see a little bit more in-depth cleaning, because as I'm removing some of the parts, I'm able to access them a little bit easier to give them a really in-depth cleaning. So this has been cleaning out your desktop computer. The next video is going to be your laptop. So stay tuned for that one. That'll be coming up next. Bear with me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.